I'm the sales director for the Indian market in Netzer Precision. In India, we partner with SIKA, Aerospace and Defense. Our partner is located in Bangalore. What Netzer is producing basically is encoders, capacitive encoders. In one sentence, what is an encoder? It's a position feedback. When you have a driver and controller connected to an electrical engine, the engine needs to send feedback back to the controller for its position, and this is where the encoders come in handy. We have a range of encoders with accuracies starting from 0.015 and all the way down to 0.001. Our main customers today are defense, aerospace, gimbal manufacturers, robotics, and basically any product that has a shaft that requires a position feedback.